Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove blemishes in Picsart. To remove blemish in a photo in Picsart, launch open the Picsart application on your device and tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to start a new edit. Now select the photo you want to edit from your device's camera roll or from the recent project list. After opening up the photo, go to the bottom menu and look for a retouch option. Under retouch, you will see the blemish button at the very bottom left. In order to use the blemish option, you'll first need to be subscribed to Picsart Plus. Make sure you have the premium version of Picsart to use the blemish tool and other options such as makeup, eye bags, etc. Tap on blemish once you have the premium version and then go ahead and select the size of your brush, and you can also choose the auto or manual option at the bottom. In order to manually remove the blemish from the picture, tap on manual and then go ahead and zoom in on the area where you have the blemish and simply tap on that. Right after you do that, you will then be able to remove the blemish from your photo. Continue tapping other blemished area you want to fix on the photo, and once you are done, tap on apply at the top right corner and download the image on your device's camera roll or share it directly to social media. And that is how you can easily remove the blemish from your image using Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Picsart tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.